Hello everyone, hi, this is Ali. Welcome to another new video. In this video today I'm going to show you that how you can fix the Elementor loading issue in a minutes. Okay, there's a lot of tutorial and that doesn't work. So in this video today I'm going to show you that how you can fix it within a minute. Okay, let's go into backend in our dashboard. Then you will install a plugin which is WP file manager. Then you will find your wp config.php file. Then right click and then click on code editor. All right, at bottom you can see that stop editing line. Okay, before that line paste this code. Okay, set underscore time limit 300 and define WP memory limit 256 megabyte. Okay, that's all. Save and close. Yeah, that's all. Now just reload, simply reload. My internet is slow, just hold tightly. Yeah, boom, here you go. As you can see now, it's fixed and you can work easily. So that's all in the video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe my YouTube channel. And thank you so much. See you in the next video.